Hey everyone, I'm Jess from the customer success team at Ghost.
And I'm Kathleen, the Director of Marketing. And together, we're going to be talking about all things video in the world of e-commerce and how you can use video to stand out from the competition.
It's no secret that e-commerce brands that have embraced video as part of their marketing strategy are reaching their audiences in new and creative ways.
More shoppers are saying that they want to see more videos from brands, and that for them is the driving force when it comes to making decisions on whether to buy a product. From try-on hauls, get ready with me videos, and more, video is the preferred way to consume content, learn about products, and make important buying decisions.
When beginning to develop your video marketing strategy, it's all going to be about understanding your customer journey. This will help you understand where you want to add video, what video content you'll need, and how you'll measure its effectiveness.
The customer journey in e-commerce refers to the steps a potential customer takes from the moment they see your brand to the point where they make a purchase and hopefully become a repeat customer. You want to ensure you're displaying the right content at the right time and that you're doing so in a way that makes sense so the customer continues to want to engage with you. The right content will take them to the next step in the journey. These stages are awareness, consideration, acquisition, and loyalty. We're going to dive into each stage and how you can use video to meet the particular goal at that stage. Feel free to jump ahead in the video series or download our free playbook, The Ultimate Guide to Video Marketing for E-commerce, How to Create Compelling Content for the Customer Journey. I'll leave the download link in the description below, or if you're watching this video on our site, click on the embedded link.
If you have content already that you're really itching to make interactive, don't wait on us. Head over to ghostretail.com to create your free interactive video account. We'll see you soon.